If you've ever tried to open a website in Chrome and seen the message that the connection to the site is not secure, it can be frustrating, especially when you know the website should be safe. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to browsing without the warning blocking your access. These methods are quick, beginner-friendly, and work for many common Chrome security issues. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should check is your system date and time. This is one of the most common reasons Chrome shows security errors, because websites use certificates that rely on your device's clock being correct. If your date or time is wrong, Chrome may think the website certificate is expired or invalid. On Windows, open your Settings app, then go to Time and Language, and click Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If it's already on, you can turn it off and back on again to refresh the setting. You should also check the time zone and make sure it matches your location. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then Date and Time, and turn on Set Time and Date automatically. Once that's done, go back to Chrome and refresh the website to see if the issue is gone. If the warning is still there, the next step is to clear your browser data. Over time, Chrome stores cached files and cookies that can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause secure connection problems. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose a time range, and if you want the most effective reset, select All Time. Then make sure cached images and files and cookies and other site data are selected. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, restart Chrome and try loading the site again. Another helpful test is to open the website in Incognito Mode. This can tell you whether the problem is related to your extensions, cookies, or browser settings. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A new Incognito window will open, and you can paste or type in the website address there. If the site works in Incognito but not in normal mode, that usually means one of your extensions or stored browser settings is causing the problem. In that case, you may need to disable extensions one by one to find the cause. If the website still refuses to load securely, the next thing to check is your antivirus or firewall. Some security programs include HTTPS scanning or SSL scanning, and while that feature can protect you, it can also wrongly block safe websites. If you recently installed antivirus software or changed your security settings, open that program and look for options related to web protection, encrypted connection scanning, HTTPS scanning, or SSL scanning. Try turning that feature off temporarily, then reload the website in Chrome and see if the warning disappears. If it does, you found the issue. Just remember to only change security settings if you trust the website and understand what the feature does. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will fix the problem right away. Start with the date and time, then clear Chrome data, test Incognito Mode, and finally check your antivirus or firewall settings if needed. That method gives you the best chance of solving the issue quickly without wasting time. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.